In this video, I'll show you how to connect your email domain in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, simply click on your profile. Now, below your profile, you want to head over to the third option and click on your profile. Now, that will take you to the overview as well as the settings of your profile. Now, in order for you to add a domain, head over to the top bar, and here you will find a few tabs. You want to click on the fourth tab, which is domains. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the section where you need to add an email domain. So in here at the bottom, we have public domains like Gmail and Yahoo. We don't need to verify them. However, if you have a different domain, simply head over to email domains. At the bottom, click on add and verify domain. From here, you want to add the email address. Let's say that the email address is tessarina@proton.me. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner, and in here, click on send verification email. Once you click on send verification email, what you need to do in order for you to verify your domain is simply make sure that you enter the verification code. At the bottom, if you click on cancel, and if we refresh the domains page within Mailchimp, it will still show the exact custom domain in which you have added. And on the right hand side, you can choose to enter the code since this verification is in progress. At the bottom, you can choose to resend the code as well as remove the code. And once you have verified that domain, then you can automatically use that custom email domain. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.